Hey there tech fans, Rick here from the OREI team with an overview of the HEX-301 4K Ultra High Definition 3 input, 1 output HDMI switch. This product was designed to make it very simple for you to select from up to 3 HDMI input sources and send the audio and video from that source you've selected to a single monitor. And you can quickly step through those sources by simply tapping the button on the top of the unit. Now in this overview, I'd like to start with an unboxing of the product and show you all of the components included with the kit. I'll then take a closer look at the switch itself and explain all the connections. I'll give you a list of the wide variety of audio and video standards the product can support. Then finally I'll come back and actually connect the switch up here on the desk and show you just how simple it'll be to use this product once you get it home. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first pop open the box, you'll find the switch itself. This is the HEX-301, very small compact design. We also include a power cable. You've got a USB-A on one end, which is connected to any standard USB wall charger, and you can even power it from your computer. The other end has a micro USB connection on it. That connects to the side of the actual switch, and that's all the power you'll need. We also include a full owner's manual that has detailed instructions on how to connect it up once you get it home. We also include some troubleshooting tips in case you have issues with it when you get it connected. There's contact information in there if you need to get a hold of us to ask us some questions. And finally, we include all of the video and audio standards that I'm going to cover in a few minutes. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Now stay tuned and I'll take a closer look at the switch. Its compact and well laid out design makes the HEX-301 the perfect choice anywhere you need to share a single monitor between 3 HDMI inputs. Its small size also means it can easily fit on a crowded desk or media center, and its high impact durable case makes it the perfect solution for mobile applications as well. The unit is powered by a single micro USB port on the side. You can use the included cable, which features a full-size USB-A on one end that can be plugged into any standard USB charger or even an open port on your computer, and a mating micro USB plug on the other end that plugs into the side of the unit. Around the outside you have 4 HDMI connections. This one here is labeled output. That connection is going to your monitor. The other 3 go to your media sources, source 1, source 2, and source 3. Once you make the connections and apply power, you can hit the select button to step through these different inputs, and it'll rotate through to 3 and then jump back to 1. So it's a very simple unit to use and incredibly compact in size. The HEX-301 offers a broad support for video standards, including both 1.3 and 1.4 HDMI compliance, HDCP 2.2. It supports 4K Ultra HD at resolutions up to 3840 by 2160, and full support for 1080p video, as well as 3D videos. Audio support includes Dolby AC3, DTS 7.1, Dolby True HD, DTS HD Master Audio, and LPCM. The HEX-301 provides full support for most modern HDMI sources, including streaming devices like Apple TV and Roku, game consoles, home surveillance systems, satellite cable boxes, and Blu-ray players. Now I'll show you how with a few simple connections, you can have the HEX-301 HDMI switch working with your own gear. Now for this demo, I've set up 3 independent HDMI sources, a laptop, a Roku player, and a media player. And I have a monitor to my right that I'm going to share between these 3 different devices. The first thing I'd like to do is power up the switch. And I've already plugged the larger USB-A connection into a standard USB wall charger on the floor. And you can plug that into an open port on your computer as well. The other end, which is a micro USB, gets plugged into the back of the switch. The minute you do that, the switch springs to life, and you'll notice an LED come on for port number 1. That means port number 1 is currently active. Now I'll connect up all of my media sources. The laptop, I'll connect that to port 1. The Roku player, I'll connect that up to port 2. And then finally the media player to port 3. Now that I've got all my input sources connected, I'll connect up the monitor to the output port here. And it should immediately bring up the laptop since it's selected. There you go. Now to get to the next input, I just tap the select button and it'll move to the Roku player. If I hit it again, it'll move to the media player. And if I want to go back to the laptop, I just tap it one more time and it goes back to input number 1, which is the laptop, and you'll see it displayed. Now the reason there's a bit of a delay after you hit the button is because the switch is analyzing the video stream coming in and comparing it to what resolution the monitor was just displaying, and it makes whatever adjustments are needed to give you the best possible picture. And it really is just that simple. I hope this overview was helpful in showing you how easy it'll be to share a single monitor with up to 3 HDMI inputs using the HEX-301 HDMI switch. If you have any further questions or we've missed anything, please check the FAQ on our website or use the Contact Us link to send us a note and we'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Until next time, thanks for watching.